All right, Mike at CBI Offroad. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the load panels on our Prinsu roof racks. It's pretty general. Shouldn't need to be specific to vehicle. Today we are going to be doing it on our Colorado. Let's get started. Once we get up here and we can see we have one load panel already installed, and the next one for Max Tracks, which we already have it set up for. We're gonna take these two bars and we're gonna take our T30 bolts out of both of these, and we'll show you how we slide these things in here. Once we got these loose, we do need both of them loose. You don't have to loosen the other side because they lift up just enough to get us where we need to be. We're going to take this, and the easiest way really is just to take and start one side of it just barely, get your other side lined up and slid in. Once those are both started, you just got to kind of keep it even, and it's going to slide in there pretty easily. When the plastic's brand new, it may be a little bit more difficult, but other than that, that one's in, and we can pull this out just a little bit. It's going to fall down in there. We can put our bolts back in. And that's all it takes to put the load panels in. As you can see, we already have ours set up for Max Tracks. Depending on your vehicle, you may want to test fit these in here and then set your products on top to get your alignments right and where you need to put everything in. Then you might just take them back out, slide them out, tighten everything down. It is pretty difficult to get underneath here sometimes depending on the model. The Colorado is pretty close, so yeah, it just makes it easier. Test fit it, pull it back out, tighten everything down, and then slide it back in, you're good to go. All right, so if you're installing two load panels right next to each other, you are gonna have to loosen all three bars that you're going between the three, and they'll all have to be loose until you get both load panels set into place. All right, and that concludes the installation of the load panels for our Prinsu roof racks. Pretty simple, easy to use, but very versatile product. If you have any questions or concerns, you can give us a call here at CBI Offroad or email us. Thanks.